Joining me today on NYSE Floor Talk is Hande Cilingir. She is the co-founder and CEO at Insider. Hande, it's so wonderful to have you here. Thanks for joining me today.
Thank you very much, Judy. Hi, it's great to see you again.
Great to see you again. So congratulations are in order. Insider has reached a financial milestone, unlocking 200 million in committed ARR. Congratulations, that's fantastic news. So it's also a special celebration for you. Why did you choose to make this announcement on International Women's Day?
Well, there are lots of reasons, but yes, today we are announcing that Insider has unlocked 200 million committed annual recurring revenue, which is actually a remarkable milestone for us. So why today? Well, everyone is talking about inclusion, diversity nowadays, but I've always believed that actions speak louder than words. So as a company, where the women hold 70% of the leadership roles, we wanted to set the tone today. We wanted to prove whole world that it can be also done by women, and it can be also done by men. It can be done by anyone. So diversity matters a lot. And as Insider, we are one of the few companies predominantly women in B2B SaaS. But in a nutshell, we would like to see more companies like ours. So this is the way that we are giving this message to whole tech industry. And before talking about 200 million ARR story, 200 million committed ARR story, I would like to give you some facts. I think that matters a lot. Today, Judy, female-founded companies account for under 3% of venture capital funding deals involving AI, according to Alan Turing Institute. And globally, Judy, women make up only 28% of the leadership position in customer experience industry, according to McKinsey reports. We need to change this. We need to influence this. When diverse perspective and voices are brought to the table, I believe that it's leading for the organizations to more innovation, inclusivity, equity, and better outcomes for organizations and share owners and for everyone. When we first started Insider, our mission was not only building a great and legendary product company, but also building the most socially progressive technology company out there in the world. So that's why today we wanted to prove that again. We want to be a model, courage, or reason for women to take action and start their own businesses to build enduring legendary companies, tech companies especially.
Mm-hmm. Now, last year when we spoke about Insider's $105 million investment focused on your M&A strategy, tell me, what have you been doing since then to reach 200 million in CAR?
Great question. Obviously, we worked a lot, first of all. And you know what, Judy, when we founded Insider, we wanted to build something generations. And our vision was to become the world's most progressive and trusted technology platform for customer experience. So since then, since our last meeting, since our last interview, we have improved our capabilities for being a one-stop platform for our partners, for our customers, because there's a vendor consolidation trend in the industry. And currently, we are the only company in the world, both leader in personalization and cross-channel marketing, recognized by G2, Gartner, and Forrester. And secondly, we still continue to grow more than 60%. We already have a beautiful story. We have a great engineering power, building the product in a most differentiated way, in a most efficient way. And I think this is why we have been preferred by the world's leading brands. And again, since our latest conversation, we are now working more than 1,300 brands, world's best loved brands like Nike, Samsung, Gap, Pizza Hut, Singapore Airlines, Santander, Lexus, and they are they can be counted as 1/3 of the Fortune 500 companies. And the demand for Insider continues to grow exponentially from marketers, because we believe that they recognize the value and prioritize the value of having one platform for customer experience. And they believe that it's the key to retain their customers and earning their loyalty is actually working with insiders. And also our dedicated team, they are still committed to delivering the ultimate vendor experience, best onboarding experience, best customer experience, and vendor experience with better support, account management, product feedback. We collect the feedbacks, we get the feedbacks, and then we are building our culture around this to put our customers first. It's a customer first company in tech, in marketing software, and that this is actually affecting also our net revenue retention metrics pretty much sharply. So that's briefly what we have done. And of course, we continue to invest in AI. But again, I know that everyone is talking about AI nowadays.
Right. And Hande, what is your position on AI? Tell me, what investments are you making and how does it help your customers?
That's a great question, Judy. But let me be honest with you while answering this question. First of all, I would like to say that, and this is something that we have been saying for the last 3 to 4 years, AI is a momental change. And while we are talking about it for some time, I think the difference today will be we will start to see its implications in our lives. And building AI today is not, I think, about development, is not about having the talent. It's about the early adaptation. So early adapters of AI will be the winners. So as one of the early adapters of AI, what we think is, as insiders, I think a lot of companies are AI washing their positioning these days. And what I mean by that is they are looking to explode the popularity of generative AI without really having a track record of performance, results, or strategic vision about those technologies. However, at Insider, we have been a leader in AI since 2014, before anyone was even not talking about AI. So for close to a decade almost today, we have employed a dedicated team of AI engineers, and they have already developed and trained some of the great examples of predictive AI, one of the technologies that we have launched in 2015. And as a native core platform with a 10-year of track records in predictive and conversational AI, we were uniquely positioned to take the advantage of the generative AI nowadays. And let me maybe give you an example of that so it can be like, more clear. Through the Insider platform, marketers can use a prompt to build customers' journeys 30x faster than they can manually. So they don't need to waste time with worry about guesswork. And today, Insider is executing the most ambitious AI roadmap in the industry, as we always do, to drive more value for our customers. So that's the latest developments about AI for Insider.
All right. And finally, Hande, tell me, what does Insider's vision for the future of customer experience and marketing look like?
Cool. Yes. Given the fact that the world is facing like economical fluctuations, and it wasn't easy last 2 to 3 years for us, and I think 2024 will be also a little bit difficult when we look at the macros. So that's why we want our partners not to grow only, but grow efficiently. I think that's the key. That's the message that the markets are also giving to tech industry or the companies. Growth is the king, but now we have a new queen, which is profitability. So that's why Insider would like to make its technology supported by AI to help our partners to be a more efficient company in terms of the marketers' roles. AI will transform the marketing. AI will transform the many things in fundamental level. This transformation is obvious. And of course, when it comes to content creation, image creation, it takes lots of time. It's a huge cost. And then they have limited resources. So our aim is to become the first marketing technology provider to automate and optimize every element of customer experience creation. So that's the key. From customer segmentation to image content creation, optimization, testing at an enterprise scale. And imagine a world, Judy, where segmentation of customers happens dynamically. And there is an engine that in one-to-one level, an autopilot with no or almost zero human intervention. AI do the things automatically. and then it already makes sense of billions of signals and data points and predictions. So that's what we are trying to already actually provide it to our existing partners. And our roadmap in AI will ensure that Insider remains still the first mover in AI and number one leader, not watching the industry, we are shaping our industry. And as a last remarks, our vision still continues in the 2024-2025 as being the most automated, most efficient, and complete customer experience platform for digital marketers.
All right. Well, Hande, wonderful to talk with you. Congratulations on this amazing financial milestone. Thanks for joining me on Floor Talk today.
It's always great to talk to you. Thank you very much, Judy.